Going on, everyone? Michael back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email notification every time a new Microsoft form is submitted using Power Automate. So you can also send this to SharePoint and store the data into a SharePoint list, but we're going to skip that step and just do something. We're going to do something really simple for users kind of get used to Power Automate. So I've set up a form. This is for a form for when a user wants to create a new Microsoft team. Most of the time, users won't be allowed to create Microsoft Teams. It's up to the SharePoint admins or the Teams admins. So we are going to submit a form. So in Power Automate, you're going to want to go to Home. All right. So we'll go to Create, Automate Cloud Flow, since this is automated, and Email Notification for Microsoft form. And the trigger will be when a new response is submitted, because we want to send an email every time a new response is submitted so we can go check it out. Go ahead and press create. All right. So it will ask for a form ID. So it will show all your forms, so it makes it super simple. So this is the form I'm working with. And next, we are going to go to, you can type in Outlook, and we need to find send an email B2. So this is the step you want to have. So send an email. Let's just creating the connection real quick. So I want to send this to myself, so we can test it out. The subject, new Microsoft form submission. And we will go to, actually, let's add a step. So let's get the response details as well, so we can add some information in the email. So I'm typing in form, and that's going to prompt get response details. So we will get response details. You want to enter in the form, so we'll just click that and click on the response ID. So this will allow us to actually get the response details and add it to the email. So we can say in the body, hello, a new Microsoft form has been submitted. Here are the details below. All right. So team name, which department? Actually, we'll just say department. And then we'll say amount of users. And I'll actually make these bold, make it look a little bit nicer. All right. And so to get the details, all you gotta do is click within here. And I want this to appear after the team name, so we will just click on that and it will add the team name. So department, same thing, amount of users. And for the last one, I'm just going to add the submitter's email, just because that's useful information. All right. So a really quick and simple flow. So every time a new response is submitted from the form, we're going to get the response details and then send an email to your account or whatever account you want. And the subject's always going to be the same. And we're just going to include some basic details. So we'll go ahead and save this. And it shouldn't have any issues. Let's make sure the flow is turned on. So it is turned on, so it will actually run. Let's go into the Microsoft form. Click preview, and we will submit some information. So team name, we will name this basketball team. Department this is for, we'll just say HR, and we'll go 1 through 10. So once we press submit, the flow should run. Let's give it a few seconds. And there we go. It succeeded. So let's check it out. Everything looks good. And we'll just go open my Outlook real quick. And there we go. We just got an email at 10:28. Hello, a new Microsoft form has been submitted. Here are the details below. And as you can see, we actually have all the details from the form we submitted. And this is super helpful if you have a form that you want to get the details and send all the details out to a team or whatever. It's super easy. You can actually, if you really want to get fancy, you can send this into a Teams chat as well. But we're just going to leave it like that and for Outlook email. So I hope you guys liked the video. I'll be teaching more about Power Automate, SharePoint, and Teams going forward. So like, comment, subscribe. Anything you want to get a little tutorial about, let me know. And that'll be it.